A customer brought us a Roborock S6 robot vacuum that stopped working. Let's disassemble and inspect every inch of this robot vacuum. Aha, here's the culprit. The Lidar motor and battery are malfunctioning, so we replace the troubled parts. Wait, there's more. Look at the dust cake on every side of this robot vacuum. A lot of dust and dirt accumulates in the suction area, which can cause clogging. Look at the layers of dust on this fan. And there's dust on every side too. With our deep cleaning service, we purify every corner, restoring the robot vacuum maximum performance. Look how clean this robot vacuum is. The suction and all sides are also clean from dust and dirt. Wow! Even the fan looks shining. No speck of dust unvanquished. Believe it or not, robot vacuum performance is back like new again. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.